all Affinity basic text shape for your typography design. Open Affinity, click this plus button, and choose your project size. I will choose my own size here, a square here. Click this vector, and then click this text tool, and then click on the page and type your text. Can increase the size and change the font here. Click this vector tab and choose this new warp group. There are some options here. I will show you the first mask. You can move the node one by one or select some node and drag it to the place that you want. And you can also add some node here like this. This is the first. And if you want to change the color, click this move tool and click here on the set fill and then choose the color here. Okay, and then click file, export. We can export as SVG, so you can change the color in Canva and click export. Go to vector, new warp group, and choose quad, and then you can drag it, the node, to in direction that you want, like this. Go to vector, new warp group, and choose perspective, and then you can drag it here. You can drag to the left too or to the right, and it will change the perspective of the text. Select the text vector and new warp group and choose arc vertical. You can adjust the node like this. And you can also change it to become like this. Select the text and go to vector, new warp group, and choose arc horizontal. Select the text and go to vector and new warp group, choose bend vertical. Select the text, go to vector and new warp group, choose bend horizontal. Select the text, go to vector, new warp group, and choose fish eye. You can select this two and drag to the top. Select this two, slide to the bottom. Select this two and drag to the right. Select this two and slide to the left. Select the text and go to vector, new warp group, and click twist. So these are the basic text effect or text shape you can make in Affinity, and of course you can adjust all the shape as you want. Please hit the like button if you like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you next video and happy designing!